Hello, in front of me is TECNO Spark 20 Pro, and on this example I will show you how to enter the recovery mode in all TECNO phones. As you can see, I've got my phone with a pattern, so in order to proceed I don't need to enter this pattern, I can do it from that point. Let's start by pressing the power key to switch off the device. Here simply choose power off and tap to power off one more time to fully switch off your device. Now you can continue. Let's use here the combination of keys, power key and volume up. You need to hold down together these two keys for a couple of seconds. Let me show you. Power key and volume up. The phone is vibrating once. Let's wait for the second vibration. Alright, the second vibration was successful. The second time TECNO Mobile logo pops up. Now you can release both keys and wait for the Android robot. As you can see, this is the no command screen. So in order to enter the recovery menu, you need to hold down the power key, and while holding power key, press volume up once. Let me show you. Power key and volume up once. That's it. This is the Android recovery in TECNO phones. As you can see here, you can read a couple of interesting things. At the bottom of the screen, you've got the TECNO model, the TECNO exact product code. You can read also the system info, and you can use the recovery menu. Here you can navigate by using both volume keys. You can here reboot to bootloader. You can enter the fastboot mode. You can apply the update from SD card. You can wipe data factory reset, so you can accomplish the full hard reset operation. You can choose mode and system. You can also view recovery logs, run graphic tests, run local test, or simply power off the device. So if you would like to exit the recovery menu, you can use the last option, power off, or simply the first one, so reboot system now. So let me choose the first one. As you can see, I highlighted the correct option. Now I just need to press power key to confirm it. Let me show you. And now the phone is booting to normal mode. Let's wait a couple of seconds. And that's it. As you can see, my phone is in normal mode. I can unlock the phone with the screen lock with my pattern, and everything works just fine. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.